Hi, I'm Kurt from Sunnyside. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap DIY shower dome to stop steam, condensation and mould from forming in your bathroom. You don't need to spend $300 or more on a shower dome when you can make a DIY one for less than a third of the price. The one I'm about to show you I made about 10 years ago and it's worked brilliantly. The materials cost me practically nothing, but even if you have to buy the materials new, they should cost you less than $100. You only need two things. First, a plastic sheet. This can be polycarbonate or acrylic, otherwise known as perspex or plexiglass depending on the brand name. It can be any colour really, but you probably want to go with a clear just to let as much light through as possible. The ideal thickness is between 2mm and 4.5mm. This one here is 2mm. Anything less than 2mm is probably going to be too flexible. Anything more than 4.5mm, it gets a bit heavier and just harder to work with. If you're in New Zealand, we have acrylic options that we can ship to you. Check out our website at sunnyside.co.nz. For this video, I'm using a 2mm polycarbonate sheet that I had lying around. Second, some channels. This is what goes against the wall and holds the plastic sheet in place. Now the channels don't have to be exactly the same size as the plastic sheet, they can be slightly larger because you're going to be putting a screw in to hold the sheet in place anyway. For this video I'm using some aluminium F-channel offcuts which I had previously used on a roofing project. The first step is to cut the channels to size and then fasten them in place in the wall above your shower. You don't have to miter the corners like I've done, but it does look nicer. The second step is to cut the plastic sheet to size. The easiest way to do this is to put it up and then just mark a line on it where you need to cut it. So you'd be marking a line on the sheet here. This one's already done because I've already made it. There are a few ways to cut plastic sheets and we've got some other videos on our channel, check those out. But the safest and easiest way is to use a sharp handsaw. This doesn't have the same risks associated with it as you would get with when you're trying to score the sheet and snap it, or when you're trying to use power tools on the sheet. These are also methods that can be used, but they are a little bit trickier. So you really can't go wrong with a sharp handsaw. You can sand the edges once you've cut them if you want to make them smoother. The final step is to fasten the sheet in place. You really only need one screw as it's held against the wall with that one screw. Just make sure that you pre-drill the sheet first so it doesn't crack it. This is especially important if you're using acrylic. So you want to put the screw somewhere where it's easily accessible so you can remove it when you want to take the sheet down and clean it. That's it. Shower domes or shower steam stoppers are great products. They stop steam and condensation and any mould in your bathroom from forming. We've had this one up for about 10 years. It's worked absolutely brilliantly. I highly recommend them. And if you can make a DIY one, this is going to save you hundreds of dollars. Thanks for watching.